Hello and welcome back to my videos on how to build a recording studio. This is part 15 and this is about headphone equalization. If you have a decent pair of studio headphones, it's always advisable to have the equalization. I found this site called Tomboosters. Now Tomboosters, they've got about half a dozen plugins on the site. They do a particularly good equalizer and reverb. I've not tried any of the other plugins. I've used earlier versions of the equalizer and the earlier versions of what is now called Morphit. Now Morphit is their headphone equalizer. And now all of their plugins cost about $30, but actually you can use them free of charge. The only thing that you don't get is you don't get the ability to be able to save any of the settings. Now, so that all that means is when you come to open up the plugin, you have to find your headphones each time. I'll go through this whole process. We'll start off by installing the demo version, and you go to the download page and you'll see the page that we've got here, and whether you're on Windows or Mac, you just download the installer. I'm just doing that now, so I double click on the Tombooster installer. This will install all of the plugins. You have to agree to the license, and then it won't allow you to install it for everybody on the computer, but you have to install it for just yourself. You don't have to register with them, you don't have to give them any details. So we click on continue there and then just let it install it where it wants to install it. It's very quick. There we go, the installation was complete, and then we don't need the other file, we can get rid of that. So what I should do now is I should open a digital audio workstation. I mainly use Reaper and Logic. So here we are with Reaper. I'll just get rid of that. We don't need that information, all that. Oops. So, and what we'll do now is we'll just install the plugin on the track first of all. So what we need to do is, if we put TB in, we will be able to search for it, and here's all of the Tomboosters plugins. You see it's installed all of them. So if I click on Morphit, now here if we had a full code we'd put that in there, but actually we're using it in demo mode. And then what we've got here is a complete list of all the headphones that it's calibrated for. Now I've got Sennheiser 650s, so if I click on that, and that shows you the equalization curve for my particular headphone. There's no point me playing music through this, purely and simply because you won't have that set of headphones. You listen on different speakers. We are dealing with YouTube's compression systems, so the best thing I would suggest is try it yourself. Check that you can use your headphones with it. You can use any headphones with it. If you haven't got your particular headphone listed, there's a couple of generic headphones, and the only problem is that it won't remember my settings, so I have to do this every time I log into it. The idea would be that we use it on the main output bus, so that we can use the headphones while we're mixing, but we must turn it off. We don't want to send out the final stems with this plugin on. So thanks very much for watching. I encourage you to try this plugin, see what you think. It's working really well for me. If you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Goodbye.